YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego minigun that has a tripod. You don't really have to have a tripod, but looks a little better. Okay, here are the pieces you will need. I'm pretty sure, I don't know for sure if you don't have this piece, but it's pretty rare. We got it from Brick Arms. A bunch of bullets. Okay, and these are the pieces you will need. You will need this. And another one. You will need this lever. One of these. The tripod. One of these has one of those right there, not on any other sides. Need this, and one of these, and one of these. Alright, it can also be a bazooka, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and so, here it is. This is how you build it. First, you take this piece, then you take one of these, you put it on right here, and then next get this, put this on right there. Let me see if it'll still work. Yep, that goes there. This, take this. Oh, I'm sorry. See this? Switch this around this way. Move it the other way, like that. Okay, put this here, like that, and then another one here, like that. And take this, put that here, like that, and take the little lever and put it on the back like this. And it's supposed to look like that whenever you're done. Pretty cool. And then take this. Well, take the tripod first. Stick it on right here. Move it like this. I got a little minifigure here. Show you. He's not good. He's one of my war dudes. He's better. Okay, you can see him walking in the bushes. And then it's on the tripod, and then takes out this big minigun with the tripod. Hang on 1 second, I'm trying to get the bullets in the spot. Right in there. Oh, sorry. I can't get it in. I don't know why, but it just doesn't want to go in. Okay, I got it. And I am putting the tripod on right now. Alright, he's walking in the bushes, and he takes out this. Bum bum bum. Pretty cool, huh? This is supposed to be curled up. Let me curl it up real quick. It doesn't have to be, but it looks a little more cool. Sorry. I can't get it right now, but I don't want to waste your time. Like that. And that's how it'll look. Okay, but that's not all today. you can take the tripod off, and then you don't have to use a tripod. Then you can just stick it in his hand like it's a regular minigun. And it's supposed to look, it's supposed to look like this. Like that. Or, it doesn't matter if you have the little bolts in it or not. So it looks pretty good. Looks better with them though, my opinion. Alright, and for the rocket launcher, it's very simple. Or a grenade launcher, whatever. Use this, you just turn it around like this. See this right here? Just do this. And then this. Or it's like that. And now put it in his hand. Looks like that. Doesn't look that good on a camera, but it looks really cool. Regular. Like this. And then you can be walking through the bushes. And you just shoot it. Alright, and that's it. Bye.